Hi there. You ready to make some videos? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow. Okay, good. Alright. I want you to me on my clothes, bitch. I want you to me on my clothes. Oh, okay. I made a terrible mess. Oh. My hair's all wet. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? That's cool. Alright. What else can we do? Let's fit in a box, shall we? We should fit in a box, shall we? Okay. I want to fit in this box. Am I gonna fit in? No? Am I fat? That's mean. Alright, I'm gonna do it anyways. Ah! Come back here! You love to fly. And I broke my box. Yeah, I broke my box. You're right. You're right, I can't fit. Don't call me dumb. My hair's crazy, miss. Alright, what do we do? Ooh. Wait, I'm having fun on this bed. I'm jumping. Ow! Shoot. This is why I need to wear a helmet, and I don't have a helmet. Alright, I'm just gonna get off anyways. Come here, come here. I'll rescue you. Good boy. Alright. Okay. Okay, that's mean. Okay, just relax up there while I'm gonna clean this bed. Look, Joey, I found a soccer ball. Can't you? You love balls, don't you? Look, it's a ball. I'm gonna kick it. Hey. Oh. Oh. Well, let's let them shoot. Am I right? Am I right? Don't blink at me. Chewie, get down here. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Want you give me kisses? Want kisses? Okay. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Alright. Time to train my bird. Go fly. Oh. Where are you going? Okay, fine. I'll take you up there. Come here.